guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Gatrania. I hope you all are well. So for today's video, I decided to get a little creative. I have been watching Euphoria lately. It's a TV show and I'm literally obsessed with their makeup. Like, their makeup is like amazing. I love Maddie's makeup, I love Cassie's makeup, and for today I decided I'll do something purple, so let's just see how it goes. I'm going to be taking you guys with me, so let's begin. Also, I'm going to be prepping my skin first because you guys know skincare is the main thing for a good makeup base. Anyway, I am going to be starting by prepping my skin using a toner. This one is the Dr. Sheth's Niacinamide and Green Tea Toner. Come on camera. Yep. And for my serum, I'm going to be using the Simple Serum. I'm going to be using the Marula Oil Moisturizer. This is going to be my favorite moisturizer to use before I put on my makeup. It is simply that good. So for my primer today, I will be going in with the Swiss Beauty Primer. This has a little shimmer to it, so that's what I really like. I think this is going to be perfect for today's makeup look. Can you see that? It has this sheen to it, shimmer. The particles are really fine, so it's not gonna be seen like really big. Honestly, if you have these two products, like the primer and the moisturizer, please just go and try it out because this is my first time trying it out, these two products together, and my skin literally feels so soft and so smooth. It feels like butter. Going in with my foundation today, I'll be using this one. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics. I recently got this one. I think I'm gonna put it in my hand first. And applying this all over my face. Once your skin is really prepped well, the foundation just glides on so nicely. I remember before I hardly used to prep my skin well and my foundation used to always crack. And right now it's like so perfect. It sits so well on my skin. Never forget your neck because your foundation is always a shade lighter and you don't want that to be seen. Don't forget your neck. Some on my forehead as well. Honestly, this was my first time using this foundation and I like it. It's pretty nice. So now that's done, I am going to be using a concealer to conceal just under my eye and around my lip. I think pretty much just there. Just going in with the Maybelline's concealer. A little on my nose as well. I'm going to be blending all of this in place using this really tiny makeup blender. This one is from the back. I think I'm just gonna quickly apply a lip balm. I know it's looking like a lipstick, but it's not. This one is from Maybelline. I really like this one. So this is what my base looks like. it's still very soft, I would say. It's not dry. Now I'm gonna just set this all in place using my loose powder. The loose powder for today that I'll be using is this one from Maybelline. I honestly have been loving this one lately. It is my favorite. Like you can say, it's my go-to. So once I'm done with my loose powder, now it's time to contour. I cannot find my contour, guys. Oh, there it is. I have been loving this one from K Beauty. I love using this darker shade out here. A little on my forehead as well. And my, what do you call this? My jawline. Sometimes I just forget words. Does this happen to you too? Like, it's definitely given me a nice definition to my face. Now if you have a small forehead area, just don't contour out here. It's mostly like people contour it here because we have like a normal, like distant forehead, if I can say, or a really big forehead. So you just want to like contour and get it like in place so that it looks good. But if you have a small forehead, this is just going to like make it look more small. So don't do that. Now that I'm done, I am going to contour my nose. Now that I've got the lines in place, I'm just gonna blend that all in. Alright you guys, so the base is done and now I'm just gonna be doing my eyebrows because honestly I feel like I look like I do not have eyebrows at all, which is like so for my eyebrows I am going in with this Color Bars eye pencil. So I'm just lining the lower area. Moving on for my blush, I am using the Miss Claire's blush. Just taking a little, dabbing it and applying it. Now it's time for my eyes, which I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do. But I did decide the eye palette. The one that I will be using is this one. Now this one is from Cuffs and Lashes, and so I'm planning to go in with a purple eye look. So I'll be going in with this and this, and I'll see if I have to use any pinks for now. I will apply a base that is with the lighter shade of purple out here. So I'm gonna be doing that right now before I apply the darker one. So I'm just applying this all over my eyelid and I'm just gonna blend it. I'm going to go in with the deeper shade of purple and I'm just gonna apply it towards the outer lid of my eye. Alright guys, so this is what this eye looks like, but honestly I feel like I wanted the purple to be a little bit more darker, so I'm just going to be going in with a little bit of black and I'm just going to be dabbing it towards the outer corners just so that it looks a little bit darker. I guess, what do you guys think? Well, I'm just going to be doing this on this area of my eye and I'll be right back. I'm going to be taking the dark purple shade and I will be applying this on my lower lash line area as well. So I have this neon eyeliner in the same shade, so I'm just going to be applying this in my waterline area. I'm just going to use a flat brush and just blend this all out. Using this one from Swiss Beauty and oops. And I think I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, and I'll be applying this right in the inner corner of my eye. Since I'm using a highlighter, I'll quickly go and highlight my face as well. Some here as well. Some on my nose. And on my cheekbone area as well. Let me jumping right into my falsie. I will be using this one. I got this off from Amazon. I will quickly just set this all in place using a mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I will also apply some mascara down on my lower lash line area as well. Now, coming to my most favorite part, important part for today's Euphoria's makeup, rhinestones. Today I will be going in with the colorful ones. Yes, I'm going in with the purple ones, of course. There it goes. So these two are the ones, and I'll be using both of these. I am so excited to be using them. I'll be using this rhinestone picker apparently, and I'm just going to be picking it up and dotting it wherever I like. It's actually so difficult to do this on camera. Alrighty guys, so I'm done with this side, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same on my other eye as well. Now I'm going to be using this lip liner from K Beauty. I absolutely love this shade. Then I'm going in with this lip gloss. Now this one has a little bit of shimmer, and I'll be applying this at the center of my lip. And finally, I'm going to set this all in place using my setting spray. This one is from Miss Claire. And this is the completed look, you guys. I am going to leave it right here so that you guys can enjoy the outro. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts, how you like this video. I will see you pretty soon. Bye.